In Singapore, about 1 in 4 pregnancies are terminated. Termination of pregnancy, or more commonly known as abortion, can be spontaneous or induced. Spontaneous abortion is the process of expulsion after miscarriage, usually non-voluntary, while induced abortions are usually opted by patients who had an unwanted pregnancy. Question 1. Is parental consent needed for abortion? In Singapore, abortion is not an offence if it was carried out by an authorised medical practitioner acting on the request of a pregnant woman. There is no parental consent required for those under 18 years old who wish to undergo abortion. The Health Ministry has supported this law on the basis of protecting teenagers without necessary family support and preventing desperate teenagers to be driven to backstreet abortions. Question 2. Can abortion be carried out on everyone? Abortion can be carried out on a Singapore citizen or the wife of a Singapore citizen. Abortion can also be carried out on work pass holders issued under the Employment of Foreign Manpower Act and/or the wife of such holders. Abortion can also be carried out on foreigners who have been residing in Singapore for at least 4 months. Question 3. Is abortion allowed any time during the trimester? Abortion is prohibited if the pregnancy is of more than 24 weeks, unless it is deemed necessary to save the life or prevent grave permanent injury to the physical or mental health of the pregnant woman. For pregnancies of terms more than 16 weeks, but less than 24 weeks, special arrangements would have to be made with a medical practitioner in possession of such surgical or obstetric qualifications. Question 4. Will anyone know of my abortion even if I just intend to abort but has not undergone the treatment? It is unlawful to disclose any facts of information relating to the abortion treatment unless the pregnant woman gives express consent to disclose. As such, you can be reasonably assured that not even your closest family members or spouse may know about it as long as you have not provided express consent to the disclosure. Question 5. Does anyone have the right to compel me into abortion? The statute only allows for conscientious objections, such as on religious considerations, personal values, or other reasons by any persons. However, it is an offence to compel or induce a pregnant woman against her will, by means of coercing or intimidation, to undergo an abortion. Question 6. Can I assist a pregnant woman to miscarry with their consent? It is an offence to voluntarily cause a pregnant woman to miscarry, even when she had requested for your assistance in any way. When no consent is given, the offence is a longer term of imprisonment. Question 7. Does intentional killing of a pregnant woman leading to the death of her child be considered murder of the child? In Attorney General's reference, a father of an unborn child stabs the pregnant woman, causing premature delivery of the child who died after 4 months. The courts held that the man's intention to harm the pregnant woman cannot be transferred to the child, and that the child was a distinct legal person from its mother, a unique individual, despite being only in the 22nd and 24th week of gestation. Hence, the child was not the victim of the crime and its death was not foreseen. The man was only charged for manslaughter and not murder. Question 8. Whose rights prevail, mother or unborn child? In the case of Re and B, medical practitioners urged to undertake an emergency cesarean operation on a patient whose fetus was found to be in the breech position, but the patient had refused due to her fears of needles. However, the court held that a competent woman who has the capacity to decide may refuse treatment for any kinds of reasons, rational or not, even if this may cause the death of the child. As such, the fetus does not have separate interests from the other, and its need for medical assistance does not prevail over the mother's rights not to proceed with the delivery. We've come to the end of this video. Do you agree with some of the laws pertaining to abortion in Singapore? Feel free to leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.